Welcome to Cuz Translation. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a remote interpretation project. To begin, click the big blue button at the top right corner of the projects page. Select the interpretation option. On the next page, you must enter the details of your interpretation project, including the source and target language, the appointment type, project detail and client name, appointment topic, and any additional details or notes for the translator. Next, click Continue and move on to Date and Appointment Details. Here, you must enter the date and time of your appointment, select a platform for your remote interpretation project, and provide your contact information, such as your email address and mobile phone number. You also have the option to choose an interpreter or let Cuz choose for you. If you want to choose your own interpreter, select the option to do so. Click Continue and move on to Interpreter Selection. Keep in mind that this page is only available if you choose to select your own interpreter. Next, click Continue and move on to Review Project Details. To ensure there are no mistakes, review the details of your project. If you spot an error, you can always go back and fix it. Once everything is in order, click Continue and move on to Payment Details. On this page, you can enter a referral code if you have one. If you don't have a payment method saved, click Add New Payment Method and follow the steps. Once your payment method is saved, click Submit to send your project offer to the interpreter.